welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Angela and today I'm going to be doing a little mini haul. I went to Ulta last week and got quite a few new things, and I'm wearing a lot of those products on my face, so I did just film a makeup tutorial and a review on all the products that I bought, which I will be posting in my next video. But first I wanted to kind of do the haul and show you guys what I got, so if you're interested to see, then just keep watching. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into this haul. Most of the products that I got are priced more on the drugstore side of things, meaning that they are priced lower. So it's really great. Most of the stuff is really affordable. Actually, all of it is. So, you know, because you know on my channel, I'm always trying to find ways to save money, but also still look glam. So let's go ahead and get into this. So the first product that I got that I'm super excited about is my new BH Cosmetics palette. So this is called the It's My Ray Ray palette. I think that's how you pronounce it. Anyways, I like it because it comes with 21 eyeshadow colors, and it also comes with a highlighter part and also a contouring part of the palette. So you're getting a lot for what you're paying. I mean, look at how beautiful the colors are. I love that there's such a variety because you could do a really bold look like this, or you could keep it really what's it called? You could keep it really natural and do like neutral tones and like warm tones with this area right up here. So we have matte colors, we have shimmer colors, and then we also have, sorry about the lighting guys, and then we also have the highlighting part and then the contouring part. And this entire palette was $22.50. And just to kind of give you guys an idea, if you're kind of trying to get into makeup and you don't know much about it, basically, to give you an example, my Electric Urban Decay palette with just the, I think it's 6 eyeshadows, I can't recall, 6 or 8. That one I got at half price because they weren't going to be selling it anymore. So that one was 24 something, still more than this one, and that was at half price. So I think at full price, you know, more higher end palettes are like $50 plus, sometimes even more. So for $22.50 to get 21 different eyeshadows plus contouring and plus 3 different highlighter shades, that's a really great deal. It's super affordable, and this is like a staple. You could take it with you anywhere and do so many different looks with it. So the next thing I got is the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. I'm not gonna hold it up too close, guys. I'm really sorry about the lighting. I've been filming all day and the sun's kind of going down, which is why I'm standing in this corner and the lighting is just not the best, but I wanted to get this video up for you guys before I posted my tutorial using most of these products. So this is the Dewy Finish Spray. I've used the matte setting spray before, and the matte setting spray I love, but anything matte, of course, as you know, can be really drying, and I do have naturally very dry skin, so I wanted to see the difference between the dewy and the matte, and I'm wearing the dewy right now, and I honestly feel like it works just as good, if not better. It just feels better on the face because it's not meant to be mattifying, I guess. And I like the way it feels. It's not drying, but I still feel like my makeup isn't gonna move. I still feel like it's secure and it's gonna stay on all day. And this was $7.99, so a really great find. And I mean, this setting spray is the same size as the matte one, and the matte one lasted me a really long time because, you know, I just do a couple sprays at the end of my makeup look and that's it. So a little bit goes a long way for $7.99. So the next product I got was also a NYX product. It's called the NYX Powder Puff Lippy, and I got it in the color Puppy Love, and this was $8.49. I have not tried this one yet, so I'm excited to try this. I'm probably going to use this in my next makeup tutorial, but it looks like a very beautiful color. I can go ahead and do like a little swatch for you. So basically you just squeeze it and until enough comes out, and then do a little, let's see. So that's like a gorgeous color. I love that. Absolutely love that. So it's really affordable. Like I said, I love NYX products. They go a long way, they last a long time, and they're not going to break your bank. You know, when you're looking for like good lipsticks, a lot of times they can be anywhere from like $22, sometimes $30 or more on the higher end side of things. So $8.49 is a really great price for a good lipstick. The next thing I got, I was really excited to get because I watch a lot of other beauty gurus on YouTube who talk about this brand, which is Colorpop. And I got it's another lipstick, and it's their Ultra Matte Lip, and I got it in the color Tulle or Tully, I'm not really sure how to pronounce it. It's Tulle. The only thing is that it is much darker on than it looks in the tube, so be a little careful with that. I definitely thought it was going to be lighter, which is why I chose this lip for this look because this matches more the eyeshadow that I was using. But that's okay because I ended up loving it anyways. I still think the dark is a good contrast to the light eyeshadow. But all in all, this lipstick, or this matte lipstick, was $8. Sorry, I'm looking down at the prices to make sure I got them right. But $8, like I said, for a lipstick is great. And this is a matte lipstick, so it's gonna stay on really good. And you guys, like, it's not smearing like at all. Like, see that? I mean, for $8, that's amazing. I definitely plan on going and getting some more Colorpop colors, and also some of their other. God, I can't talk today. So I do plan on going and getting some more of their colors. They have tons of lip colors to choose from, and also a lot of other makeup products as well, obviously. But so far, I'm loving Colorpop. Alright, so the next thing, I actually did forget that I did get one more Colorpop makeup item. This is something I'm super excited about. I have not tried this one yet, but this is their highlight. I'm obsessed with highlight, you guys. This is their highlight in Flexitarian, and I actually learned about this through a YouTuber that I watch. Her name's Alex. Her channel is called Learning to Be Fearless. If you don't watch her, go watch her. She's amazing. But she uses this highlight in the inner corners of her eyes, and she always looks like this like glowing goddess. So I had to get it. It's amazing. So this was also $8. And this is what it looks like. See, it's very shimmery. And just to kind of give you guys an idea of, look at the pigment. Like, amazing, you guys. And this isn't even good lighting. Can you see that? Like, hello. So this, I have not tried this one yet, but I'm so excited to. When I saw that they had this color in stock, I was like ecstatic. So I'm gonna have to do a tutorial and review this product as well, but so far I think it's absolutely beautiful. I mean, just look at that shimmer, and that's barely with me using my finger and not even using that much. The next thing I got, I'm actually excited about, but also kind of nervous about. I did go and get me my first pair of false lashes because I do want to do a video of me applying false lashes for the first time, because before I started YouTube and before I started watching a lot of videos, I just didn't really see the point in false lashes unless it was Halloween, because I didn't realize that there were more subtle ones to just make your lashes look thicker. And the more I watch people on YouTube and the more I see looks with false lashes and I try them, I'm like, oh my gosh, these would look so much better. This look would look so much better with false lashes. Even this look that I'm wearing right now. So I did get my first pair of false lashes. I didn't want to spend too much since this is my first time. I want to see how I like it. So these are e.l.f. This is a great drugstore brand, like super cheap, probably one of the cheapest ones I have come across when it comes to drugstore brands. These lashes were $4, so that's an amazing price for lashes. And they did come with like little tweezers so you can like put them on. And then you do have to buy the glue separately. So I did get the Duo Do Not Freeze glue. I asked the lady at Ulta and she recommended this one. And this glue was $6.49. Again, I haven't used the lashes or the glue yet, so I will do a tutorial and I also will do a review on any of the products that I'm talking about that I have not used yet. So the last thing I got is a high-end makeup product. It's the only thing that I got that was high-end. But I've been looking for a really good mascara, and lately I've been struggling with having like, you know, fallout underneath my eyes, and then it causes like black smudges under my eyes and makes me look like I'm like tired or like dead or don't know how to do my makeup. So I've been struggling with that. So I decided to go with the higher end route and just kind of give them a try. So what I got was I got the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I just went, when I was in Ulta, I just went, you know, when you go to the front and pay and there's a bunch of like little sample sizes. So it's small. This one was $12, but I think that's a decent price to be able to try out a product. I mean, I can use it multiple times before it runs out. So I'm actually wearing it right now, and so far, I really like it. I think it like really elongates my eyelashes, and when I put it on, it was almost like instant dry. So it doesn't feel like it's going to like crumble and like, you know, like have fallout underneath my eyes. It hasn't so far. Like, it's very clean. So so far I would recommend this. So I'll have to give you guys an update on all the makeup that I'm wearing and tell you how I'm liking it, because this is the Colorpop lipstick. And this is, I don't know if I explained that when I was talking about the color of Colorpop, but basically this is the Colorpop lipstick, so it looks much darker on than it does in the tube, but it's still beautiful. I love it. I'm also wearing one of the highlight shades from the BH Cosmetics, what's what's it called, palette that I just showed you, and everything on my eyes is also from the BH Cosmetics palette. So far I'm loving it, but I will give you guys more details in depth what I think about it, pros and cons in my makeup tutorial video. So that's all I have for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed this little mini haul. I had so much fun doing it. I love buying new makeup, so it was a good excuse to buy makeup so that I could make a fun video for you guys. If you have any questions about any of the products that I got or how I like them, just post it in the comments below. And as always, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it helps me out. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!